Your biggest Black Friday mistake isn't bad emails or wrong discounts. It's thinking Black Friday is just one day. Most founders treat BFCM like a weekend sale. They start planning a week before, throw up a 20% off banner, and then wonder why they only made a couple $1,000s while other brands did six figures. You assume they had a bigger budget, or better ads, or a secret email trick, and the real answer is definitely not that they worked harder. It's that you are playing the wrong game entirely. In this video, I'm going to show you the four-phase campaign framework that actually builds momentum and drives predictable revenue for small businesses. This is the system we deploy for our clients, and it's the reason they don't have to guess. The most successful brands are not scrambling in November. The secret is this: the most successful brands win on Black Friday because they have a system and they start early. They have automated workflows, they have clear deadlines. They've been building their email lists and warming up their audience to build anticipation. All of this so that when November finally hits, before you've even written your first subject line, they are already cashing in. I've been there, stressed out on November 20th, wondering if 30% off is enough, knowing that even my best customers had no idea a sale was even happening. The results were exactly what you'd expect: garbage. But then I implemented this four-phase system, and my next Black Friday did over $30,000 in sales in one day. Now, here are the four phases of the system that changed everything. This is what separates a winning BFCM campaign from a failing one: the tease, the launch, the last chance, and the follow-up. Each phase does a specific job, moving your audience from cold traffic to a repeat buyer. When you understand this, you'll see why your current approach feels so chaotic. The tease builds excitement. The launch cashes in on that excitement. The last chance uses urgency to capture everyone on the fence. And the follow-up turns those new buyers into loyal fans who buy from you for the next 12 months and beyond. But before we go on, if you're new here, I'm Ellie, and for a long time, I was that stressed-out store owner scrambling every October wondering why my Black Friday campaigns never hit the numbers I needed. I've built online stores and brick-and-mortar shops that have done over 8 figures in revenue, but I learned everything the hard way, especially that Black Friday success isn't about luck or bigger budgets. Now, other business owners call my team when they're drowning in BFCM prep they don't have time for and wrestling with campaigns that should work but don't. We build the automated systems you need in your business that turn Black Friday from your most stressful time into your most profitable month, while you focus on doing what matters most. For a limited time, I'm giving away free access to our BFCM success planning tool so you can see how to do this four-phase system in your own business. This is not just another calendar PDF download. It's a diagnostic tool that tells you the exact 20+ tasks you need to complete and exactly what to focus on first. The link to it is in the description below. Okay, now let's get back to it and break down each phase with the timing of each one. The tease phase starts in early November and builds excitement without showing all your cards. Think movie trailers, not the whole movie. You're not announcing your exact discount or showing all your products. Instead, you're creating curiosity and excitement about what's coming. This phase is about collecting email addresses from people who want early access. It's about building excitement through social media posts and creating content that shows your products as the solution your audience needs. The goal is to have people asking when your sale starts, not wondering if you're even having one. The launch phase is Black Friday week itself, but it's not about discounts. It's about delivering on the promises you made during the tease. This is where you reveal your actual offers. But the people getting these emails have been expecting them for weeks. They're not surprised by another sale email in their inbox because they've been waiting for it. Your launch emails feel like the ending to a story you've been telling, not an interruption in their day. This phase runs from Black Friday through the weekend. It has specific emails and social media posts designed to capture different types of buyers. The last chance phase captures everyone who is on the fence. It uses urgency and scarcity to close the deal on Cyber Monday. These are the people who opened your launch emails. Maybe they even visited your website, but they didn't buy yet. They need that final push. And Cyber Monday gives you the perfect reason to create real urgency. This isn't fake scarcity. It's the actual end of your promotion, and you're reminding people that this opportunity won't come around again until next year. The follow-up phase in early December turns new customers into repeat buyers. It sets you up for a strong start to the next year. Most business owners completely ignore this phase. That's why their Black Friday customers never buy again. This phase includes thank you emails, product education, and early access to your next promotion. You're building relationships with people who just discovered your brand. You're making sure they remember you when they're ready to buy again. When you see Black Friday as these 4 separate phases instead of one crazy weekend, you can plan each phase properly. You avoid the last-minute panic that kills profits. Each phase builds on the one before it. This creates momentum that carries through your entire campaign and beyond. The difference between a $1,000 Black Friday and a $50,000 Black Friday isn't your product or your service, it's your system. But here's the hard truth. The tease phase should ideally be fully built out at least 90 days before Black Friday. If you're starting from scratch and doing everything manually on your own right now, chances are that you're already behind or your game plan is missing something crucial. Now here's the reality check. There's a lot to get done in very little time. If you want my team to build out this entire 4-phase system for your business, click the second link in the description to book your emergency blueprint session. We'd love to help everyone, but we have to limit how many clients we accept to keep our quality high. Onboarding for this cycle closes soon, so don't wait. See you on the other side.